Hello, hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? English, Year 4, KSSRPK, with our topics Yummy Fruits by Teacher Nur Hidayah Azmi. Are you ready? Content Standards 2.1 Communicate simple information. 3.1 Understand a variety of linear and non-linear print and digital text by using appropriate reading strategies. Learning Standards 2.1.3 Give a short sequence of basic instructions. 3.1.3 Use visuals to help understand a word or phrase. Objective: understands main ideas, specific information, and details of very simple phrases and sentences with minimal support from the teacher. Today we want to learn about how to make a fruit smoothie. First, let's read together. Fruit smoothie. Tawi likes to eat dragon fruits and strawberries. He wants to make a fruit smoothie. Ingredients: dragon fruit, strawberries, milk, yogurt, ice cubes. And this is steps. Their steps. Firstly, put all the ingredients into a blender. Masukkan semua bahan-bahan tadi di dalam blender. Then, blend until it is smooth. Kemudian, kamu blend sampai dia menjadi halus. Lastly, serve in a glass. Akhir sekali, masukkan dalam gelas untuk dihidangkan. Okey. Hi, hello. Today we want to make a fruit smoothie. Let's go. Ingredients are dragon fruits, ice cubes, yogurt, and milk. Dragon fruits, ice cubes, milk, and yogurt. Then blend it until it is smooth. Lastly, serve in glass. You can put other fruits like banana, of dragon fruits. Ta-da! You can add other ingredients such as honey or ice creams to enhance the taste. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
So this is your homework. Please arrange the step in correct sequence. And then write the correct sequence. This is the step. Which one? First, then blend until it is smooth. Lastly, serve in a glass. Firstly, put all the ingredients into a blender. Fruit smoothie. Write the correct sequence. Tulis semula langkah-langkah cara membuat fruit smoothie. 1, 2, 3. Susun dulu kat sini. Kemudian salin balik di sini. Okay, thank you. That's all for today. Bye. Stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy. Bye.